Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a piece of good news you heard from others. You should say what it was, when you received this news, how you received this news, and why you feel it was a good news. So before we jump on to the answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So this is pretty much a straightforward question, like any kind of good news you can talk about, maybe about someone's marriage, or maybe someone passed their final examinations with flying colors, or maybe someone got their visa approved, or someone got a good job in a great MNC, right? So you can talk about any of these ideas. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. News is a piece of information related to some person, thing, or an event and may hold distinct values for different people. And today, I would like to talk about my brother's engagement news, which made me elated. So, elated means to be happy. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year, when I was completing my final year of graduation in Chandigarh, I received a call from my mother during class hours. Moreover, I could sense that it must have been regarding something urgent, as she usually never connects with me when my classes are going on, and informed me that my brother has got engaged. Furthermore, she told me that the ceremonies would take place after the completion of my final semester, as those dates were also regarded to be auspicious and hence the events were being scheduled in accordance. So, auspicious means favorable. Also, as you can see, instead of repeating the word engaged again and again, we have used a lot of synonyms here like ceremonies, occasion, event. So, all these will also add to our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. So, as you all can see, we have answered the second and the third question as well, which is when you receive this news and how you receive this news. But the fourth question, which is why you feel it was a good news, still remains. So let's answer that. Additionally, it would also provide me the opportunity to travel back home and spend some quality time with my family members as I had not been able to visit them from quite some time due to my hectic schedule. So, hectic means to be busy. Finally, I felt over the moon and at the same time relieved as the timing of the event was ideal for me and I could enjoy my brother's engagement party without hampering my studies and not having to worry about my exams. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.